So here we have laptop, a Toshiba satellite L300 series. So this is my cousin's laptop. He said every time he's turning it on, it appears the firmware is detected that CMOS battery failure occurred. So obviously this is CMOS problem, because if the CMOS battery is faulty, it always requires you to correct or reconfigure the time and date in BIOS like this. If the CMOS battery of your laptop has no charge or it turned out failure, the BIOS settings are lost when the computer is powered off. And let's try to set the time and date first. This time we're gonna open the laptop, open the back cover of the laptop to replace the CMOS battery. So here is the CMOS battery of this Toshiba L300 series. I'm going to replace it. The new CMOS battery. I bought this on Shopee. So after I replace it, let's look result. So there's no CMOS failure occurring. That's it. That's how you fix them. Thank you.